What if everything looks like it's working as expected, but hidden issues can develop long before they become visible? As a maintenance professional, you want maximum uptime, efficiency, and control. But hidden problems inside your heat exchanger can cause efficiency loss, downtime, and costly surprises. That's why you need a thermographic survey. Thermal imaging shows surface temperature patterns when your heat exchanger is performing optimally. Temperature anomalies instantly reveal blockages, fouling, and performance issues. Clear results support preventative action before failure occurs. A fast, non-invasive preventative maintenance solution. Contact us today